Hi guys. So as you can see, there is a trigo equation before us. We need to prove the left hand side equals to right hand side. Well, this seems little intricate at the beginning, but I can assure you this is very simple. Just wait and watch. All right, guys. So at the beginning, okay, we have tan square theta plus cot square theta, okay, plus 2. So let's pick up the left hand side, correct? So what do we have? Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. All right. So our first strategy would be like this. Tan square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta plus 1. We have simply bifurcated 2 into 2 ones, correct? Now, we know that since tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta, whereas cot square theta plus 1 equals to cosec square theta. Okay. So can we not write for this and this as, okay, our next step, okay, as this? True, isn't it? So some of you will have noticed that we have a plus here, whereas in the right hand side we have a dot, means some multiplication. Got it? Hence, to convert this into multiplication, we need to do a little bit of changes. Okay. Now, okay, we also know that since sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta, whereas cosec square theta equals to 1 by sine square theta, isn't it? So, can we not write for this, this, and for this, this? Okay, so let's do it. All right. So, we can write 1 by cos square theta plus 1 upon sine square theta next. After which, we try and take LCM of this, which comes to be the same. All right. Now, since we already have this, okay, of this, so we need to multiply this one with this. So we end up having sine square theta and here cos square theta. This is very simple. You may have done in your lower classes. Since sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is another identity, equals to 1. So our next step would be to write 1 over cos square theta dot sine square theta. Correct? This can also be written as 1 cos square theta multiplied by 1 over sine square theta. Alright, guys? Now the reciprocal of this, okay, would be, or in other words, the, okay, identity sec square theta equals to the reciprocal of cos square theta, whereas for cosec square theta, we know it is equal to the reciprocal of sine square theta. So we can easily now write this multiplied by cosec square theta. Thus, we have been able to prove this is our answer. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Alright guys, so this wasn't so difficult, it was quite easy, just the layout had to be changed from time to time. Alright guys, so I hope you have understood. In case there is still any query, you are free to write in the comments box. I will be able to address them. Okay guys, so have a great day. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you guys. Bye bye. All the best for your exams.